Hey human, I'm Braxton Evelyn, the Beauty Boutique. Welcome to my channel, a place where you find a lot of tips and tricks for food and beauty, and a dash of vlogs here. And today on the Beauty Boutique, I will be showing you how to make this vegetable pasta. Yes. So, a friend of mine gifted me this pasta. She said, oh, this penne pasta is made of wheat. Do something healthy with it. And voila. Alrighty guys, let's do this. So I had to do a quick dash to Amigo because I do not have bell peppers. Alright, let's go shopping. Alrighty, let's see what will we need. I'll need cherry tomatoes actually, so let's pick that. And next, the selection for our bell peppers. Alrighty guys, this is getting interesting. Let's do this. It's Ramadan season, hence this decoration. Beautiful. Alrighty guys, and it was time to pay and get out of here. Let's hurry, let's do this. Vegetable pasta loaded. Oh my god, who is excited? Have you liked the video? Alright, let's do this guys. Okay, the ingredients: cherry tomatoes, bell peppers, onions, basil. Then I also have pepper, garlic, oil, cumin, black pepper, and salt. And of course the pasta we're using is penne. So you want to start by adding salt to your boiling water and cook your pasta until it is al dente. What does that mean? Cook until it is cooked for like, let's say 7 minutes. So between 7 to 10 minutes your pasta should be cooked. Alrighty guys, let's cut. Let's chop. Quickly. No time to waste. We are making vegetable pasta. Do not forget, and I am super excited. Did you guys notice how I take out the seeds? So you press it in and it's ready. Take out the seeds and chop. Next is our cherry tomatoes, and I'll just cut them in half. Straight to the point. No stress whatever. This is how you cook your healthy meals fast, and it is gonna be a stir fry. Let's do this guys. Okay, so you want to start by adding your oil while your pasta is cooking. Next, you bring in your onions. Let's start by frying the onions. Alright, the onions is fried slightly. We bring in our bell peppers. Hold off with the cherry tomatoes. You will be adding that at the end of the day. Alrighty, toss. Okay, let's begin to build up the flavors. So that's black pepper. Next, we'll be adding our cumin. And need I say, we are not using seasoning cubes in this recipe. Remember, we already have salt in our pasta. So let's add a pinch of salt, basil, and pound a little bit. Then bring in a little oil like so. So we're basically making basil oil. This is what it should look like. All right, let's go. Okay, the pasta is al dente, meaning it is cooked. So transfer directly without rinsing and toss everything together after adding your garlic and pepper. You thought I forgot about that? No, I didn't. Alrighty, let's do this guys. So let's add a little bit of the pasta water to allow the vegetables and the pasta bind together. Then now bring in your cherry tomatoes. And we are ready guys. Let's dish this up. It looks beautiful. The kitchen smells so good. Oh my God, I wish you were here, but hey, you can make yours. And it is time to introduce our basil oil to this beautiful vegetable pasta. The crown of it all. Alrighty guys, please like the video. Leave me a comment. What do you think about this recipe? Let me know. I really would like to know. God bless you for hanging out with me. Let's do this. So you garnish again with the rest of your basil. And it's time to eat. Let's dig in.
All right, it's time to dig in after all of that. But seriously guys, it was a quick and easy recipe. Let's give it a try. Oh my goodness. So good. I hope you're gonna give this recipe a try. Please like this video because I have put in so much to get this video to you. Leave me a comment. What do you think about the recipe? Are you gonna give it a try? And to my returning subscribers, I love you. And if you haven't subscribed, you want to consider subscribing because there's a whole lot on this channel. Alright.